Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to clear all autofile settings on your account on Snapchat, easy and quick. First, after you click on your profile icon, click on the settings icon here, and now you will find here ads, click on it, and now you will find here autofile settings, click on it, and here as you see, you will find clear all, and just click like this and it will be cleared all this autofile settings. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.